Leftist propaganda portal The Wire's journalist Arfa Khanum Sherwani thinks that the Hindu right wing resorts to offensive language, their ideology reflects toxicity, they have a vulgar rhetoric, and it is impossible to engage in a civil discussion with them. Madam Arfa, what kind of civil discussion have you or your liberal gang have ever engaged in? Taking our viewers a little back in time. This was Arfa Khanum during anti-CA protest who advised her fellow Muslim protesters that they would never compromise on their ideology but may change the strategy.
यहाँ हम अपनी आइडियोलॉजी से कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम अपनी स्ट्रेटजी बदल रहे हैं.
It was Arfa Khanum only who then advised the protesting Muslims to play down their Muslim identity as part of a strategic plan to appear more inclusive. Please note how the whole strategy is to appear inclusive and not necessarily be inclusive. This is something we should be cautious about. And what kind of civil discussion are you talking about, Arfa? Does targeting your former Chief Justice for the death of stone pelters by their own country-made firearms a sensible thing to do? Using words like Sanghi Police, Sanghi Adalate are not part of the dehumanizing and demonizing people with differing ideology. Is this not hate language? You and your leftist propaganda portal The Wire are the front runners in publishing misleading and fake news during elections and have been time and again exposed by our formal authorities. But still, you continue to peddle deceiving narratives. And wasn't it a vulgar rhetoric of you to peddle Dar Ka Mahal narrative in Srinagar amid Lok Sabha elections, where you falsely claimed shops being shut in Srinagar without formal orders? What is this pseudo-secularism where on one hand people like Arfa and Rana Ayub dismiss the forced religious conversion under the disguise of marriage and the demography change as fake? They have absolutely no sympathy for those young Hindu minor girls who get raped and murdered by Islamists. But on the other hand, this same liberal gang shows full solidarity towards Hamas terrorists and their leaders like Yahya Sinwar, who were involved in the brutal attack of beheading innocent Israeli babies. The misleading Dara Hua Musliman narrative is born from your liberal gang mind, and then you have the audacity to call the Hindu right wing's ideology toxic. Kudos to the fake misleading propagandists like you, whom we at the pamphlet will keep exposing with our videos. Till then, if you like our content, don't forget to share, subscribe to our channel, The Pamphlet.